Transform your home inside and out with Painting NoCo's expert residential painting services. We specialize in interior and exterior painting, as well as deck and fence staining. At Painting NoCo, we believe that quality painting isn't just about color, it's about care, precision, and creating a space you love to call home. Our interior painting services are designed to make the process as seamless and stress-free as possible. We know that inviting contractors into your home can feel daunting, so our team works with respect and care. From carefully moving furniture and covering surfaces to meticulous preparation, we treat your home as if it were our own. Every step is taken to minimize disruption and ensure a flawless finish. But don't just take our word for it. Explore our gallery to see real transformations and hear from clients who rave about our clean, detail-oriented approach. If you're looking for a beautifully painted interior with a seamless experience from start to finish, Painting NoCo is here to exceed your expectations. Exterior painting is a significant investment in your home's appearance and durability, and our comprehensive service is crafted to ensure results that last. Preparation is key, so we start by pressure washing surfaces to remove dirt and grime, scraping away any peeling paint, priming exposed areas, and applying caulk around windows, doors, and siding. This thorough prep ensures a strong foundation for a stunning finish. Once the surface is fully prepped, we begin painting. We apply 2 coats of high-quality paint using a combination of spraying, rolling, and brushing techniques for perfect coverage. And we go the extra mile by painting additional elements like gutters, downspouts, and garage doors for a complete polished look. To make your exterior transformation even more accessible, Painting NoCo offers flexible financing options. With our 12-month no-payment, no-interest financing, you can enhance your home without the upfront cost. It's the perfect solution for budgeting your project over a year, preserving your savings while increasing your home's curb appeal and value. This plan makes it easy to manage your finances without strain, so you can start enjoying the benefits of a fresh exterior right away. Our expertise doesn't stop at painting. We also stain decks and fences, adding durability and style to your outdoor spaces. Deck and fence staining protects your wood from weathering and gives it a fresh, natural look. Our process is simple but thorough, starting with pressure washing to clean away dirt, grime, and any chipped paint. We then apply the chosen stain or paint through a combination of spraying, rolling, and brushing, ensuring even coverage and a beautiful finish. Depending on the size of your project and the weather forecast, we typically complete deck and fence staining within 1 to 3 days. After the final touch-ups, we make sure your space is left clean, and the only sign of our work is a stunning new finish. At Painting NoCo, we're committed to delivering quality, convenience, and customer satisfaction in every project. With our experienced team and personalized approach, you can trust us to bring your vision to life with professionalism and precision. Ready to transform your home? Visit paintingnoco.com today to schedule your free estimate, and let's get started on creating a space you'll love. With Painting NoCo, you're choosing more than just paint. You're choosing quality crafted with care.